By 1945, it was back to the ways of peacetime. If you wanted to shoot, it was usually in some sort of competition. Targets made of clay. The Garand rifle had proved itself over and over in combat, and every man joining the armed forces received thorough training in its operation. Indoctrination usually begins with a description of the piece. It doesn't weigh much, less than 10 pounds. For most recruits, this is the first contact with a basic weapon of the American Armed Forces. They learn that the gun fires 8 rounds semi-automatically. That is, you have to pull the trigger each time to fire a round. The use of the sling is described, and the new men are shown how it aids in accurate firing. But performance is the only factor that's important in a rifle. And in this department, the M-1 is superior to any basic weapon issued by any army. It produces greater firepower without decreasing accuracy. An expert rifleman gives a demonstration of the abilities of the gun which every American soldier is taught to fire. The rifle is first demonstrated being fired from a prone position. The marksman sights the target. A full clip is inserted in the receiver, and in an instant the gun is ready to be fired. The cartridges are automatically ejected, and reloading is a simple operation. Simply insert another clip of 8 rounds and commence firing. Another clip of ammunition, and this time the target is highly explosive. It's a can of gasoline.